Hey guys, what's going on? I haven't done a video in a minute, but today we're going to show you how to rebuild some Supra calipers today. Here today are some rear Supra TT calipers, and first what you're going to need is the cylinder kit disc, what's this called?
The seal kit.
Seal kit. So this is a part number right here. I'll have it in the description below, but these are one of the tools that you're going to need, or one of the parts. What are the tools that we're going to need?
Just regular hand tools, gloves, and then it comes in this kit. You open it right here. They give your seals, your inner seals, comes your outer seals, and then here's gonna be your rings. This holds your outer seals together. This goes for anything that goes for a Sumitomo caliper. So it could be the same for the front twin turbo calipers. The RX-7 uses the same ones. Comes with a pack of grease right here. Lube your seals up. These right here are your rear bleeder covers. So once you put in your bleeders and you're done bleeding your brakes, put those on there. And it comes with these small little seals, or transfer seals, what I call them. And these little seals right here, it's real small. And
so where do those go?
these go right here on one of the outer ears or outer halves of the caliper, and they just rest like that.
So what's the point of that seal? Does that make the fluid go from this portion to that portion right there?
Correct, because pretty much with this one, it's going to retain all the fluid from there, and it's going to help it not leak, and then from there you can just transfer them out, and it goes into the other side of the caliper.
Cool. Hey bro, so those colors look fire. Where'd you get them done?
You got them done at Unit 14 here in Plano. Check them out on their Instagram. On the subscription, on details and info below.
Ooh, boy, that plug. So what you doing right now?
So we are putting the inner seals. These come already sealed in the back, and these are already pre-greased. So these pretty much just slide in. So they're gonna go right here into the caliper. See the inner seal right here? A little bit hard to see.
I can't see, but yeah.
And we're gonna pretty much just slide them in there. Make sure they're nice and easy, nice and flat and flush. And that right there.
Okay.
You got your seal right there ready to go.
Okay.
And got your seal right here. We're gonna put it in. There you go. Just comes right in and slides in like nothing.
Man. Okay. No lube, nothing?
These already come pre-greased out of the bag, so this is plenty enough for you to let the piston slide in.
Cool.
Right here, or on the instructions, or on the details right here, they call it Cosmo rubber grease. Usually with pistons, I just want to put a small little dab on here, like that. Nothing too much, nothing excessive. We're just gonna lube up the piston a bit more. It makes it easier to slide in.
Just a nice little light coat?
Mm-hmm. And then once you've done that, just spread it around nice and easy. Got your piston. We're gonna go to the first one right here. We're gonna go in. It's nice and easy. Now we're gonna leave some space right here. We're gonna, for our outer seals. You got that lip right there. This should give us plenty of space to put our outer seals. And then from there, repeat the rest on the other side, other halves of the calipers.
All right, what?
All right, so we got all 4 pistons ready in there. So the only thing we need to know, what's next, is putting in our outer dust shields, or dust boots. Here's your dust boot right here. Just put a little bit in there, nothing too much. From there, run your fingers. And right there, you're ready to go. From there, start with the first one. Travel it along around the piston. It's gonna sit. So your next step, what you want to do on these type of pistons and calipers, you want to ring it around the lip, and we'll show you an example right here where that lip is at. Here's one that doesn't have one yet. So you're gonna travel that seal right there. You're gonna travel it around. Here's the ring itself, what actually holds that seal together. It's a little bit funky to put on. As you can see, it'll kind of overlaps a bit. This one's kind of one you just kind of have to extend out, and then you run it around that seal. Here's your ring right here. That's pretty much it. As long as you know you got it inside to the seal itself, now you're just ready to just push it. That's it.
Huh. So what you're telling me is that this seal right here, which is facing outside as in out here, and this portion is in. And then once it's all lubed up, it goes, well, you go around this, but then this lip right here needs to meet that bottom portion right over there.
Correct. And that goes for many Sumitomo calipers. Now, if it was like, for instance, like a Brembo caliper, most of them, they won't have that. The seals will go actually in together and flush with the piston instead of having to go out like this one on a Sumitomo. And same process with everything else. You're gonna run lube, just a little bit. Run it around. As you can see, it's layered. So you actually, that's why it extends out and it actually goes around that piston. Around it. And then we're gonna slide it, run your fingers around that lip.
So almost collapse that.
Yep, and extends, and see how it just sits in there. So once you know you got it in there, now you're ready to run that ring. Next ring right here. There's many ways to do it, but you can always start with one end. So we're gonna start with one end and then just stretch it out, run your fingers, make sure you got it into the seal, nothing coming out. So now it's in. Ignore the rice boy. And then from there, that's it.
Hey, thoughts on that sound? What do you think it was, a Nissan or a Honda?
It's gotta be an Infinity or some sort of a DQ motor.
All right, we're gonna go with a Nissan. They all sound like broken trombones anyways.
All right, so that completes it, putting on all the seals and the boots on there. So what's left is actually putting in the halves together.
So with these O-rings, right? Essentially, do we have to lube them up before we put them together?
They're pre-looped already.
Okay.
So pretty much, they're gonna be coming out and are flush like that. And from there, you're gonna put one end of the other half caliper and then put them together. This is right. Okay. And all you're gonna do, all you need is a couple bolts to get you started.
No, you really want to make sure you have the right side inner with the right side outer. You're gonna have some problems, right?
Correct. And pretty much you want to go easier. Put your nice Cerakoted bolts, done also by Unit 14.
Damn, that plug, boy, that plug.
Yeah. Pretty much line it up, make sure your seals are still in there. See that we're already messing up right now? Nice and flush. Rest it in, and then from there, you can start chasing it.
Now, what size bolt is that?
This one is going to be a 12. And then from there, once you already got everything laid and you're positive, doesn't hurt to double check again. Seals are in there, good. And we're just gonna grab them on. No need to use an impact, that's how you break them.
You break them or you ruin your brand new finish. On your freshly Cerakoted bolts or your freshly powder coated calipers from Unit 14.
And same goes process with the other side.
Now, how much are you going to be torquing these down to?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'll have to search it up on the Toyota repair manual.
Dude, you know what I'd do?
Uh,
If it were up to me, few Ugga-Duggas never killed nobody.
no, never.
Except for that powder coat. That's the few Ugga-Duggas will kill that powder coat. Now, we'll actually use the torque wrench, and then in the description below, we'll put down the torque figure of what you're going to need to torque those bolts down.
That's right. So we're gonna finish up this one side first before we get onto the other one. As once you're done fitting them in,
Just a
you know, just nice and good, hand tight for now because we're not putting these on the car yet. Double check everything else. Okay. So the only thing what's left to do is put on bleeder. Here's our bleeder. Go right in here. And then here's our bleeder condom or cover, what do we want to call it? Oop.
Thank God for the microfiber towel.
And that's it. That's already assembled. And we'll torque these down whenever once we figure out the actual torque specs for them. And that's it.
Then you just have to, if I can find it, put these on, and then you're a happy boy, right?
That's right.
Hey man, what you doing?
We're gonna put on the sticker.
Hey man, it better be straight.
It better be straight. Does that look straight? Does that look standard, guys? I think so.
It's off by a bit.
Shut up. Woo.
Start pulling up.
Yep, a little bit. Oh, there we go.
Nope, corner.
Corner. We got it, we got it. There we go, boys.
We'll put some heat on that, make sure it gets all tacky, but that's how you rebuild TT Rear Super calipers, right?
Yep, same goes with the front. Same ways.
Everyone on high def,
Yeah,
their cars smell amazing, right?
that's right.
So what do we use?
We'll use these right here. Follow me. You're on the dashboard. See that air freshener?
Ooh, bro, where'd you get that from?
From Import Crate.
From where?
Import Crate.
All right. Remember from the last video, Import Crate sells a lot of quality air fresheners.
A lot.
A lot. a lot. They use a lot of, Tree Frog and a bunch of other brands. But remember, if you want to save 20% off on your next purchase, please use Sunkay Works. We'll have it right here to save 20% off on your next purchase. Thank you guys for watching the whole video. I really do appreciate it. If you guys love what you see, please comment, please subscribe. I'd really love it. We're trying to get to 1,000 and we're a quarter away there. I think we could really do it. And comment below what you think of this video and any of the past videos. All right, bye.